Here's a nice, easy 3-chord jam. This one is Free Fallin, Tom Petty. It's 3 chords. That's it. You got a D, you got a G, and you got A sus. Let's break those down closer so you can play this thingamahoho. And then we'll talk about the rhythm-me, strummy pattern. Chord number 1 is a D chord, plain Jane D. You're going to put your first finger on the 2nd fret. Oh, capo on the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, right there on that first dot. Sometimes you have a dot. Your first finger goes on the 2nd fret of the G string. Your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the little E string, and your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you're strumming 4 strings. These 4 right there. Your next chord is a G chord. You're going to pick up both of those guys and leave the ring finger there. Put your pinky down on the little E on the 3rd fret and move your middle finger over to the 3rd fret on the big E. And when you do that, you're going to end up muting that A string. So you have E, muted A, D, G, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. Then you're moving back to a D chord, and then that last chord is an A sus, where you're still keeping that ring finger in the same place the whole time, and your first finger comes over to the 2nd fret of the D string, and your middle finger goes to the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're strumming 5 strings. Alright, let's talk about that strumming pattern. On the D chord, you're going to go down, down, up, down, and then switch to the G, and you have another down, down, and then up, down, 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 up, down, switch to the D, down, down, up, switch to the A sus, down, up, down, 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 up. If we put that together, we have down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. D, G, D, A. At the beginning, you're just doing holds if you want to, like, you know, da 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 da. Get it, right? If you liked the video today, like it, subscribe to my channel, share the video, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Y'all have a good day.